Hi guys, this is a different video than I am normally posting, but I just need to get this off to my chest. Need to tell you what's going on. I need to speak from my heart and just kind of let you know what's been going on and why I'm not posting a cleaning video, or I wanted to post my fall decorating video, but I needed to get this video out first so you guys can understand what's going on, and also let this be a cautionary tale to all of you other social media content creators, influencers, whatever. I don't like calling myself an influencer. I prefer a content creator, but whatever you want to call yourself, we are basically a small business, right? We get paid by YouTube per ads, but we also get to do affiliate marketing with Amazon through our links, and then we also get to, if we're lucky enough, we get to work with amazing brands. I am just blown away with all the amazing brands that have reached out over the years, like big brands like Audible and Cricut and HelloFresh and Home Chef and Hoover, and I can't even think of all the amazing brands that I've worked with, like so many, and it's really changed my life. I started this channel in 2018 and I wanted to make a little extra spending cash for myself so I can just kind of contribute to the household and buy gifts for my husband without having to use our bank account, and just, I don't know, just dip my toes into being a content creator and making money off of social media. And so I did. One Monday in October of 2018, I posted a Monday Clean with me, and then, you know, here we are in 2024 and I'm still doing the same thing. It's pretty amazing. So when choosing my name back in 2018, I Googled the name that I wanted. I knew that I didn't want to use my name, my legal name, just because I like to have a little bit of privacy and a little bit of a barrier between putting it all out there and kind of, you know, like, I share my children online, but I do like to have a little bit of privacy with a lot of things. So I know I didn't want to share my name or my exact location, so I didn't want to use my name. My name is Jessie, by the way. That is my like my first name. It's not Jessica, it is Jessie. And so when searching for a name, I Googled, I knew I wanted to do something like motherhood, lifestyle, in that kind of category. So when I Googled my channel name, nothing really came up. Like trademarks, nothing really came up. There was a couple channels already with my name. I wasn't the only one with the name, but on YouTube, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. To me anyway, especially if you're in a different niche. Okay, if you're in a different niche, you could have the same name. There's so many at-homes, Simplies, Loves, XOXOs, like there's so many of us in this kind of motherhood niche that kind of have similar names, and that's okay. I am one that's like, there's room for all of us. I have always said that. Post that video, put yourself out there. There is somebody in an audience for you. I've always wanted to share other creators, lift other creators up. I've done a ton of collabs, not really recently because Malcolm keeps me crazy, but I love like sharing my friends and making new ones and encouraging you guys to get out there and, you know, do the same thing I'm doing from home. Make yourself a little bit of extra cash. It's not easy, but it is definitely doable if you put your heart and soul into it and you give it your all and you do your research and everything. So I did do my research. I was huge on research. So I looked if mine was trademarked. It wasn't. I looked if there was any like barriers or red flags for choosing my channel name, and honestly there really wasn't. So I proceeded. 2019, I really started gaining some traction. I think I had about 10,000. 2020, when we bought our forever home and I started doing DIYs, I made my way up to 50,000. And in the big bubble of YouTube, I'm proud of my subscriber. I think I'm at like 66,000. I'm proud of where I'm at. But in the big scheme of YouTube, where people have several million, hundreds of millions of followers, And even in our niche, we have people at 400,000, half a million, a million. Even a couple 100,000 is super impressive. 100,000, that's amazing. That's my goal. I want to hit 100,000. Maybe one day. But like, I'm a baby channel. Okay, I'm small beans. I don't make that much money from this channel, except for when I get sponsorship deals. That's where I make the bulk of my money. I'm still really small potatoes. I'm very small potatoes, okay? There's new girls starting every day that just like surpass me in subscribers, and they're amazing, and you should support them. Like I said, everyone can do this. There's no reason why you should hold back someone else. But I wasn't smart. I was not smart. When I saw that my name wasn't trademarked, I should have trademarked it. I should have made myself an LLC, and I should have been a little bit more business savvy. But I've been learning this business as I've gone. Like, I have had to learn to put a third of my earnings away right away for taxes, because I'm responsible for my own taxes. I've had to learn how to negotiate brand deals on my own. I've had to read through legal documents on my own and kind of figure out what kind of contracts are up and down and which way, and licensing, and like, I've really had to do all of this on my own as a stay-at-home mom who's also trying to run my household. So I let that slide because I thought there's no reason why I can't, there should be no reason why I need to trademark my brand until I got a cease and desist letter from a lawyer, and that's where we're at now. I have to change my name because someone else trademarked my name because they shared it, and they had a smaller following than me and everything, but they had a blog or something, and so this is my bad. I'm not trying to play victim, but this is on me. I could have very well have trademarked my name, and we wouldn't be here right now, but I have to change my name or I will get sued. So yeah, so I have to go and find a new name, which is harder than you think. So I have to do that. I have to change a ton of stuff. A lot of my contracts that are pending are in my current channel name. It's deeper than just like, oh, change your handle. Like, my YouTube URL is that. All my socials are that. I'm trying to think of other things that are connected with this name. It's a lot. And I did have my lawyer look over it. I was like, I'm gonna fight this. At first I thought it was a scam. At first I thought somebody was trying to scam me. It's not. It's legit. I looked it up myself and did all the due diligence of research on it. And this is a very hard life lesson that I hopefully, if you're watching this, that you don't have to go through. If you're a creator, you should think about making sure that you can have your name for the long term and someone can't come and take it from you. I would do LLC. I would do think like a business, because you are a business. And I let that slide, and this is my bad. It would cost a lot of money to fight it, and I did have a consultation and a family friend look through it. It would cost a lot of money, and there's no guarantee that like I would have a good outcome, and I could be liable for their lawyer fees for taking them to court over it. It could just, and it would take months. It would take a long time, and I gotta keep posting. I gotta keep posting. So if I want to post, I do have a couple weeks to switch everything over to whatever I'm going to choose. And I need to like switch my channel art. I gotta switch there's a lot that goes into having to change your name, completely rebrand yourself when you're not expecting it. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. Don't feel bad for me. Because it's my bad. It's because I let the ball drop. It's my fault, basically. Hopefully this won't affect my brand in the long run. Like, people aren't going to be able to search me and find me. I hope this doesn't mean that my channel completely dies. I hope that it means that brands aren't going to not reach out. Like, this is probably going to affect a lot. Like, a lot. But I'm posting this video so other content creators can not let this happen to them. They can protect themselves. They can go through all the correct channels to cover their own booties so that they don't have to feel like I felt. I've cried the tears. I've vented in anger. I've talked it out with everyone in my life. And I just have to take it on the chin and keep moving forward, because I don't want my channel to die. I want to continue. I want to hit that 100,000 subscribers one day and get that plaque and, you know, make extra money for my family and hopefully continue to support and uplift other women. I've always, you know, been supportive and wanting to create a positive community and a motivational community. So yeah, luckily this doesn't affect my vlog channel, so that's good. But my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, my Amazon affiliate, everything, my Amazon store, everything I have to change over, and there's probably even more than that. So I have to kind of like double down and really think and go through everything that I can think of and get all of that straight in the upcoming weeks. And in the future I will have a little rebrand, and hopefully you will you know, share my videos, continue to follow me, and we can thrive in the, you know, I've always said YouTube is a roller coaster, and this is definitely one of the lows, and hopefully we can make it up to another high here soon. So with you guys standing by me and supporting me and sharing my videos and giving me all the love in the comments, that really does help out my channel. And pretty soon you will see my whole rebrand. I gotta work on that in the upcoming weeks. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.